Welcome you all. My name is Sandhya, first MCA, University of Mysore. My topic is online examination system. These are the content what I explained today. Content is introduction, abstract, problem definition, problem statement, literature survey, module, software requirements, hardware requirements, advantage and disadvantages, features in application, system design and system analysis, and propose the system and future scope and conclusion. And introduction, online examinations, sometimes refers as e-examinations, are the examinations conducted through the internet or in an intranet for the remote candidates. Most of the examinations issue results as the candidate finish the exam. When there is an answer processing module also included with the system. Candidates is given a limit time to answer the questions, and after the time expired, the answer paper is disabled automatically and answer is sent to the examiner. The examiner will evaluate answers either through automated process or manually, and result will be sent candidate through the email or made available in the website. Today, many organizations are conducted online examinations worldwide successfully and issue the results in online. In abstract, online examination system is a software solutions which allows a particular company or institute to arrange, conduct and manage examinations via online environmental. This can be done through the internet, intranet or a local area network environments. So online examination protocol is a web-based applications for a technical evolution. Online examination protocol not only replace the paperwork but also release the workload of a faculty. Most of the e-examination system only have fixed number of questions without randomizations, so they have a poor scalability. So some of the problems faced by manual examination systems are delayed in result processing, filling the process a problem, filtering the records is not an easy, the chance of the loss of records is high, and also record searching is difficult. Maintenance of a system is also very difficult and takes a lot of time and effort. Problem definition. The aim of this project is to provide a quick, immediate and easy way to appear the exam. Login module helps the users to log into the site, for he or she must type the username and password correctly. The login provision in this page helps the already registered user to direct access and the site, and there is a link for registrations to a user who is new to this site. Problem statement. We are going to make an attractive examination protocol in which user can create an account, after which user have to sign in to attempt the test. Some of the concurrently existing protocols we know have some problems like crashing or getting hanged. We will try to overcome this problem. We try to make this site robust, reliable, and it takes a less bandwidth to move from one page to next page. We have also working on encryption, description of the password using the SumLog algorithms. Literature survey means propose a system and process system. The online test created for taking the online test has following the features. In comparisons of the present system, the process system will be less time consuming and is more efficient. Result will be very precious and accurate and will be declared in very short span of a time because calculation and evaluations are done by the simulator itself. The process system is very secure, has no chance of a leakage of question paper as it is depend on the administrator only. The logs of appeared candidates and their marks are stored and can be backup for the future use. So this is a literature survey. Here there are three modules we can see: examiner and a department or a system administrator or a candidate. Here all are using the internet. Through the internet they have to attend the test. In the database they can store the question paper and also the answer script of the students. Here examiner has to receive the answer script as the through the internet, and he has to receive from the web server. And here administrator also use the web server to contact with the students. Here online examinations via in local area network. Exam module, there are three modules in the online examination system: registration module, administrative module, student module. In examination process, log into the online examination system, attend the test and you have to submit. The form of question in this page is multiple choice questions. The questions are selected at random. So administrator accept. Here can taking the backup of the database, editing or deleting or creating the database, changing the password, logging into the system, accepting the registrations of candidate, creating a test, posting questions in the above test, posting multiple options to respective questions and marking our correct answers within the given options. Time limit of the test, set negative marks for the wrong response. And here student accept means requesting registration, logging into the system, edit user information, selecting the test, appearing for the examinations, printing the result at the end of the examinations, review the given response. Here department accepts here logging into the system, creating a questions, adding the candidates to group, posting questions, accepting registrations of candidate, sending the results to specific student and set marks to that question paper. So software requirements, what are the software requirements for the online examination system we required? Here the operating system we use the Windows XP and others. In front end we use the PHP means hypertext preprocessor, HTML means hypertext markup language and CSS means cascading style sheet. In backend we use the MySQL, browser we use the Internet Explorer, Aura and others. Hardware requirements. In hardware requirements, there are two sides. One is the client side, another is the server side. In client side, we use the browser as any browser. Processor means a Pentium 2.0 and above. RAM we use a 250 MB means megabyte. In server side, processor we use a Pentium 2.0 and above. RAM we use a 1 GB means gigabyte and hard disk space is 4 GB means 4 gigabyte. So advantages of online examinations. When come to the advantages, these are the advantages following. Physical pressure at a given location is absolutely not necessary. Result available instantly. Easy accessibility. User friendly. Secured because authentication. Online exams. Convenience, security and flexibility. Available at a reduced cost. Accuracy in checking the answer, calculating the result. When come to the disadvantages of the online examinations, these are the follows. Required high speed of internet, slow in case of a small bandwidth internet, chances of a server crashes and chances of a hacking, and challenges in technology adoption. So what are the features of online examination systems are easy approval process, configurable rules and permissions, instant notifications of exam schedules, high-level proctoring, and multi-language support, on-screen evaluations for instance result, exhaustive report and dashboard. System. When it comes to the system design of the online examination systems, the goal of this phase is to convert the requirements into structure that is suitable for implementations in some programming language. The online examination system uses a client or server architecture. At the end, the client by using a web browser can convert via internet or a local host with the server where PHP and MySQL in the server side and responsible for the preparing exams processes and save the written data from database. So this is the architecture of the online examination system. Here teacher and student use the browser for the online test. Here student has to give the username and password to the password, then only can attend the online test. And here teacher has to log in and give the question paper through the online itself, and all those things are stored in the database. Here the examination system using the JSP engine. So this is the architecture of online examination system. So system analysis, or DFT means data flow diagram, can be categorized in the following terms. Content diagram is an overview of an organizational system that shows the system boundaries, external entity that interact with the system, and the major information flows between the entities and the system. In this diagram, a single processor represents the whole system. This is the DFD level 0 of the online examination system. Here student has to give the username and password to get the registration, then only a student can attend, he or she can attend the online examination. And admin also give the his username to login. And next is level 1. In level 1, student has to getting a visit and response from the student registrations or login process. And here login to get the informations and update, and getting information and update from the student. To in next, admin activity. In admin activity, get the information, admin can get the informations of the student, and print the report and the receipt, and report has to go to the student's mail id or his personal websites. So this is the level 1 diagram of the DFD of online examination system. So this is the level 2 of overall with the interact with the admin and your students and the teacher. So DFD diagram, data flow diagram. Here we can see the in one student has to give the user details, and then only can get the registration, and through the registration user can give the username, password, and getting the login, and you have to select the his subject, and his subject he can give the subject code, and then only can get that question paper, question paper of that subject what the student has selected. And then only user can fill that question paper and submit. Then submit has to evaluated process, has to go to the teacher or evaluator. And here in level 5, in 5 we can see the administrator. He can display the result, and he can see the results of the students. So these are the diagrams of the DFD diagram, means the data flow diagram of online examination system. So this is the ER diagram, means entity relationship diagram of each and one. So here user has to give the username and password, then he has to goes to the registration, and then he has to get the registration. After the registration, registration obviously student give the username, password and user ID. Then he has to perform the online examinations. In examination he has to select one subject at a time. It may be C or may C++ or OS or DBMS. Then only he can get the result. After the completing the exam, get the result means immediately. You can get the result. In the exam result, you can see the password, username, exam result, and marks and exam ID. And these are all the details what the user can receive. So here some steps of online examination. Your student has to give the username and password to get in the online examination. Without username and password, you cannot attend the online test. If it does not have any username and password, he has to create that first, then only he can attend. So this first you can see that he has to log in, otherwise he has to create, then he has to submit, and then he has to log in. And here he can log in and attend the questions of that question paper what the student has to select. And after that they can display the result immediately after completing the answer paper, and student has to give the submit. Then after the submit he can see the result of total questions what the student attend, and what are the right answers, what are the wrong answers, what are the student can attend the questions, what are not attending what are the not questions not attending, and overall marks can see in the result. So here we can see the student has to select the subject. In subject he can see all the details of results. In scope, this can be used in educational institute as well as corporate world. Can be used anywhere, anytime, as it is web-based application. User location does not matter. So no restriction that examiner has to be present when the candidate takes the test. Designed to facilitate administrator and user. An online examination is designed for educational institute like schools, colleges and private institute to conduct the logic tests of this. Their students are employees on regular basis. So conclusion, last step, the conclusion. Online examination system is a web application. The key concept is to minimize the amount of paper and convert all forms of documents to digital form. It can observe that information required can be obtained with the easy and accurate in the computerized system, and the user with minimum knowledge about the computer can able to operate the system easily. The system also produces the brief results required by management. User can take the test online of his or she choice regarding the fields and see the progress according to the course card generating. The next, your reference what I study here and Wikipedia and official websites of the online examinations. So thank you.